In Ambedkar Konasima district's Amalapuram constituencies, heavy rains accompanied by strong winds have left farmers in distress. Just a paddy harvest were ready, heaps of grain stored in yards were drenched, causing severe losses. Farmers lament that despite the extensions of Raitu Bharosa centers, procurement has not been carried out effectively, forcing their produce to remain exposed and vulnerable. They are demanding that officials immediately purchase the soaked paddy through Bharosa centers and provide compensation to offset the damage. The incident highlights the urgent need for timely government intervention to protect farmers' livelihood in Konasima.